New York City was just hit by a 4.3 magnitude earthquake.
I think we're having an earthquake.
I'm not kidding.
What's going on here?
Is everyone okay?
The earthquake shook the densely populated New York City metropolitan area on Friday morning, with the residents reporting loud rumbling coming from beneath them. They are extremely rare in this region, with the last earthquake only being a 1.7 magnitude all the way back in May 2023, and the largest earthquake being a 5.2 magnitude all the way back in 1884. Luckily, this time around there has been little to no damage reported.